Welcome. If you want to control exactly who can reply to your posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, there's now a powerful new feature that lets you do just that. Today, I'll walk you through how to make sure only the accounts you mention in your post can reply, using the latest update on X for PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left side menu and click on Post. This opens up the familiar Post Composer, where you can share your thoughts, updates, or even add media like photos and videos to make your post stand out. Now type out your post as you normally would. If you want to include images, GIFs, or videos, just use the media icons below the text box. Here's where the magic happens. Right beneath your post, you'll see an option labeled Who Can Reply? Click on it, and you'll see several choices. Select Only Accounts You Mention. This setting means that only the people or accounts you tag directly in your post using the @ symbol will be able to reply. Everyone else will see your post, but won't have the option to comment or join the conversation. This feature is especially useful if you want to keep discussions focused, avoid spam, or simply have a private conversation in public view. It's perfect for interviews, Q&As, or any situation where you want to limit replies to a specific group. Once you've set your reply restriction, double-check your post and mentions. If everything looks good, just click Post. Your content is now live, and only the accounts you mentioned can reply. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can take control of your conversations and create a more curated experience on X. Try it out the next time you want to keep the replies exclusive. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.